Welcome to News Onces, where we bring your neighborhood article to life. U.S. death toll from COVID-19 hits 900,000, sped by Omicron. Propelled in part by the wildly contagious Omicron variant, the U.S. death toll from COVID-19 hit 900,000 on Friday, less than 2 months after eclipsing 800,000. The two-year total, as compiled by Johns Hopkins University, is greater than the population of Indianapolis, San Francisco, or Charlotte, North Carolina. It is an astronomically high number. If you had told most Americans 2 years ago as this pandemic was getting going that 900,000 Americans would die over the next few years, Dr. Ashish K. Jha I think most people would not have believed it. Dr. Ashish K. Jha He lamented that most of the deaths happened after the vaccine gained authorization. We got the medical science right. We failed on the social science. We failed on how to help people get vaccinated, to combat disinformation, to not politicize this, Jha. Those are the places where we have failed as America. Just 64% of the population is fully vaccinated, or about 212 million Americans, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Nor is COVID-19 finished with the United States. Jha said the U.S. could reach 1 million deaths by April. Among the dead is Susan Glister Berg, 53, of Sterling Heights, Michigan, whose children had to take her off a ventilator just before Thanksgiving after COVID-19 ravaged her lungs and kidneys. She's always cared more about people than she did herself. She always took care of everyone, a daughter. That's how we all describe her. She cared for everyone. Very selfless. Glister Berg, a smoker, was in poor health, and was apparently unvaccinated, according to her daughter. Fortuna just got the booster herself. We all want it to go away. If you like this video, please subscribe. We post more of what you like. I personally don't see it going away anytime soon. I guess it's about learning to live with it and hoping we all learn to take care of each other better. The latest bleak milestone came as Omicron is loosening its grip on the country. New cases per day have plunged by almost 500,000 since mid-January, when they hit a record-shattering peak of more than 800,000. Cases have been declining in 49 states in the last 2 weeks, by Johns Hopkins. Also, the number of Americans in the hospital with COVID-19 has declined 15% since mid-January to about 124,000. Deaths are still running high at more than 2,400 per day on average, the most since last winter. And they are on the rise in at least 35 states, reflecting the lag between when victims become infected and when they succumb. Still, public health officials have expressed hope that the worst of Omicron is coming to an end. While they caution that things could still go bad again and dangerous new variants could emerge, some places are already talking about easing precautions.